What's up, everyone? So we're back. We made it for another video. I guess I'm starting every video like that from now on, but figured I'd throw it out there. I don't know if you guys can tell. Got a new camera. Got the G7X finally, so should be pretty crisp. I don't know how the audio is on it. There's no plug for an external mic, which I thought was kind of weird, but whatever. It's besides the point. We're in the whip right now. So on my way to get Robert now. We tried to film a video yesterday actually, and it was too cold. It was honestly just too cold to ride. We went out at probably 2 or 3 o'clock, and after 5 minutes, both of our hands were frozen. We went out looking for that pit again from the first vlog, and we just couldn't do it. So coming at you with this today. Should be a pretty good day. I'm excited to get some riding in. So, scooped on me, Robert. He's pretty much sleeping.
Yeah, I'm so tired.
We gotta go do some bike work though. We gotta wash the pitter and the 450. Oil changes on both, and I have to do a filter on the 450. But we gotta get him moving. So, got the 450 all washed up. I gotta do an oil change and air filter real quick. Walking back to the trailer right now. Got Robert up front washing the 110 still. We'll get that done, and he said something about doing an oil change on that, so we're gonna get all this shit done real quick. You know, fast like motion hopefully. And yeah, that way we can get on with riding for the day. So we made it. We're out here at Carter's, you know, the local spot. Got Robert. We're about to get everything unloaded and get geared up because it's windy, and I think it's only gonna get windier, so we're gonna try and beat some of the really crazy wind. It's not that cold though, which is nice, especially this time of year in Jersey. We're gonna get everything unloaded, get all geared up, and it's time to sand. I'm pulling his hand. How? I don't fucking know, building light or something.
Yeah, I wanna overdose upon this music shit until I'm fucking close to ghosts. I got the team behind me telling me to go for broke. The money coming in, you know you fucking soul is gold. You never sold your soul. Yeah, I wanna overdose upon this music shit until I'm fucking close to ghosts. I got the team behind me telling me to go for broke. The money coming in, you know you fucking soul is gold. You never sold your
You ran into a PVC pipe. Your life definitely flashed before your eyes when I told you there was leaking. There was fucking oil.
Dude, I had my eyes closed.
So we're back after the first session. It was pretty good. A little bit windy. We got the boys. He let me ride his 250. I'm pretty sure Robert got a clip. His back tire is bald as shit though. We need to start a GoFundMe. Buy Mason a rear tire.
Yo, don't be...
Like, what is that, dude? It looks like a 110 tire. What are we getting, Robbo?
Pit bike's broken.
Oh, the pit bike is not broken. He's bitching and moaning. So, me and Robbo just chilling. I broke a chain, so that's all she wrote for the big bike for the day. I'm actually waiting for a ride right now. Got the homie picking me up in the truck, so I'm gonna get this thing the fuck out of here, and then, I don't know, we might be done for the day, we might go find something to do. Still got people ripping in the background, but, that's all she wrote. I'll see you in the next one, but they'll probably be. So, we made it out to the BMX spot. Got a homie Robert with us. He's about to hit this little quarter pipe thing, but we're gonna get warmed up for a little bit. I might film a little bit of it, but I don't know what you're gonna see. Woo!
Died. Oh my god, it scared the shit out of me. That's the end of that. Goodbye.
I'm going up on this wall.
Your bike went up. That was so ugly. Gas.
What's up? So that's gonna be a wrap for this video. It was a pretty good video. I had a good time. The BMX clips that you guys just watched were actually from earlier on in the week. Me and Robert decided to head out one night and go try to ride a little bit of street. We both don't get to ride bicycles that much. Just with work and everything, it's kind of hard. Every chance I get, I pretty much try to ride a dirt bike. So it's nice to get on the bicycle. Gonna try to put a little bit more BMX in all the videos. But it was a good time. We had another solid weekend. Rode today. It was super windy. Like, it was crazy how windy it was. I know you guys can hear it in some of the clips, and I apologize for that. I don't know what to do with this camera. It doesn't have like any way to cover the microphone or anything that I know of. So I know you can get like the little scruffy thing, but I don't know how much that really helps. Beyond that, let me know what you guys think of the new camera and how this video came out. Comment, like, subscribe, share it. Anybody who posts this on their story, I will also like repost it, I guess, on my story. But it was a good one, and I'll see you in the next one.